All right, so you've made your tables, you've made your queries. Now all you need to do is create your user interface or the data entry form. So here's one that I've created already. So it allows the user to add new customers. You can navigate through with your next and back buttons. You can save it and you can delete as well. So I'll step you through it now. So all you do is go create and then choose form design. And from here you jump up to add existing fields. And then it gives you a list of all the different tables. So I'm going to start with my user table, which is going to be user ID, last name, first name, phone number, date of birth, all the things that need to be entered. Just double clicking those, and then I'm going to jump down to my health table, and we need the resting heart rate, and the weight and the height. That's all the information that the user will type into the database, and these are our entry points. So if I jump over here to form view, you can see that's where the user types. It's all good to go, but we need some kind of formality like headings and buttons. So if we highlight all this, we can very carefully move it over. We could go up here to these labels and we could put a heading up the top, like, enter your data below, kind of user instruction. And then we need buttons, and they're pretty easy to make. You just hover over and click button, and then you just draw it. And you give it the commands you need. So we need a next button, and a back button. So let's go with previous record. Click next, and a picture. I don't know, not that obvious. I reckon have text, and then just have the word back. Click next again. You can call it back if you like, and finish. And then there's your back button, and you're just going to do that again for your next button. And that's going to go to your next record. Call it text again, and we just call it next, and so on and so forth. And we're obviously going to need to have a add, delete, and save option, and you can see that here under record operations. So I'm not going to go through that. You can obviously do that. And so you want it to look like this. I need a back button, a next button, a save button, a delete button, and an add new, with some kind of user instruction at the top. Save it as entry F, and that becomes your data entry form, which is the front end of the database where people interact with